Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the Product Monitoring or PM tool. In order to begin monitoring products, you'll need to get the product's ASIN number. Once you have that, you'll click on the Add New ASINs button in the product summary page. Then select the marketplace that these ASINs belong to. Then enter your ASINs and click Save. Seller Suite will then fetch that information if it's not already in our database. If it's not in our database, it can take anywhere from 1 to 15 minutes for the information to populate. Once you have a few products that you are monitoring, you can then choose how you want to be updated on these products. Click on the Configuration tab here. Notifications are broken down into review alerts and other alerts. Review notifications can be emailed and/or texted to your phone. Other alerts will only be sent via email. However, both types of alerts can be sent in daily digest or as they come. Now let's say that you don't want to receive hijack alerts for a specific product. You can turn off alerts for specific products by going to the product's detail page for that product. Once there, you'll click on Action, then Update Alerts. Then all you have to do is deactivate the hijacked alert for this product and click Submit. To see metrics for this product listing, you can click on Action in the product detail page and then Research. To see your product reviews, you will go to the Product Reviews page. Here you can export your reviews or respond to specific reviews. Let's respond to this review and tell them thanks for the great review. You'll click here. Once here, you can select from one of the canned responses or create your own canned response by clicking Create. A canned response makes it easy and fast for you to respond to your customers. Once you have copied your response, click Go and it will take you to your customer's review so you can comment. A lot of sellers aren't aware of this, but Amazon has a special feature for you to promote your other products in the comment section. Click on Insert Product Link and then insert the link to your product you want to promote. It's free promotion on Amazon, so take it while you can. Finally, there's the seller feedback page. This page will only show you negative or neutral seller feedback, so keep an eye on this page, as if there's something new here, then it means you need to take action and try to get it removed, as a lot of buyers will accidentally leave product reviews on the seller feedback page. And this is 100% against Amazon's terms of service, which means you can get it removed.